Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Being ACCA. This is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate, and a lot of students have been asking us the important topics for the ACCA PM exam for the September attempt. So let me tell you this very frankly. Earlier, still a little bit of predictability was there that these are perhaps 3 or 4 topics, out of which 2 topics will be tested in your section C. But lately we've been seeing a change in the pattern, the way ACCA tests the students on the questions. So the topics have become a wide range now. From the recent few attempts, we've also been seeing regression analysis being tested in your section C. Now this is not something which used to happen very often in the past times, but this is something which has been happening now. So this proves that there are no specific list of topics, that only these topics will be tested in section C. So just do a selective study, prioritize these areas. No, this is not going to happen. ACCA exams are not for selective study. If you want to do selective study, you are preparing to fail. Please ensure that you cover all the syllabus areas that are there. In case you're self-studying, the content that's there on the ACCA Study Hub, it's an amazing resource for the self-study students. Each and every topic has been explained in sufficient detail for a student to be able to understand things. So please, it's a humble request from my side, do not go for selective study as far as the ACCA PM exam is concerned. Literally any syllabus area is getting tested in any of the sections. So please do not go for selective study. Prepare every topic thoroughly. Make sure that you do not ignore theory. This is a very common mistake that the PM students make. They think that PM is a numerical paper, so they will primarily practice all of the numericals, but trust me, around 30 to 40% of your PM exam is theoretical. Now they are also increasing the weightage of the discursive parts, so make sure that you're preparing yourself to be able to draft the discursive answers. When you're doing your practice, do not just practice the numerical portions on Excel and think that I'll just have a read at the discursive answers from the kit or from the solutions and then I'll frame it magically in the exam on my own. That's not going to happen. So you have to practice the drafting portion by actually typing the things and then comparing how near have you reached to the final the solution which is there at the back. So make sure that you are preparing for discursive elements also, and again reiterating, there are no important topics. There's no thing as important topics in the ACCA PM exam. You have to prepare every syllabus area very thoroughly, as if you should be able to answer the numerical portions and also the discursive elements. So everything you should be able to answer, and that will only happen when you have the conceptual clarity. So first build your concepts and then get on to the practice of questions, practice numericals, practice discursive elements, and then you'll be good to go. I wish you all the very best for the ACCA PM exam.